If the Windows audio test tone fails to even fire, here's how to fix it. Now if the test tone is not playing, restart your computer first. Now this often refreshes the system and solves small glitches that may have developed. You can also run the audio troubleshooter by opening Settings, go to Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, then click Run next to the playing audio troubleshooter. Additionally, restart Windows Service by opening Services, find Windows Audio Service, double-click on it, choose the startup type to Automatic, then click Stop, wait for a few moments, then press Start to restart the service. Now once you're done doing that, click Apply and select OK to save the changes. You can also try disabling audio enhancements by opening Hardware and Sound, click Sound, select Playback tab, right-click on any device, choose Properties, go to Advanced tab, and uncheck the box for Enable Audio Enhancements. So that's what you should do when Windows won't play the audio test tone in your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.